Summer 2025 is here, and with it comes a fresh wave of inspiration from IKEA. This season's new arrivals bring together the best of Scandinavian design, clean lines, smart solutions, and joyful colors, all crafted to help you refresh your home with ease. Whether you're reimagining your living space, upgrading your kitchen essentials, or just adding a small accent to brighten up a corner, there's something new to discover. From playful patterns to timeless craftsmanship, these pieces are made to celebrate the relaxed, creative spirit of summer. 1. GLANSGRAN Vase. Modern yet grounded, this eye-catching vase features a matte beige top and a glossy black base, creating a bold contrast that adds depth to any setting. Great for flowers or as a sculptural statement piece. 2. SKOGSMOSAIK display shelf, playful and versatile. This pine and green display shelf comes with movable inner shelves, so you can rearrange your items any way you like. A perfect addition to walls that need a touch of creativity. 3. KONTANTER doormat. Crafted from natural coir fibers, this durable mat features a heat-pressed leaf pattern you can both see and feel. It's an eco-conscious and stylish way to welcome guests and trap dirt at the door. 4. BLODBJÖRK Vase Pale Pink Blue. Each vase is uniquely finished with hand-splashed blue dots on a soft pink base. Its narrow opening is perfect for a single bloom or a branch, adding charm to any room. 5. SLATORP sofa with chaise. Flexible and supportive, this sofa lets you switch the chaise side and extend the back cushions for neck support. The yellow-green tone adds a pop of color without overwhelming your space. 6. BLODFLÄDER picture. The Seine at Giverny Claude Monet's classic impressionist work is printed on high-quality canvas and framed with a walnut effect for timeless appeal. The added depth makes it stand out in any room. 7. IVAR shelving unit with box shelf. This iconic IVAR combo offers both open and closed storage with movable shelves and a classic box shelf inspired by fruit stands. Made from solid pine, it ages beautifully over time. 8. MACKSJÖN Centerset Sink Faucet. This chrome-plated faucet blends sleek style with smart function, featuring a pressure-compensating aerator and corrosion-resistant surface. Easy to install and clean. Ideal for everyday use. Nine. BLODBJÖRK vase stripe, white-yellow. With hand-painted yellow stripes in a round shape, this vase brings sunny energy into any space. The narrow opening gathers flowers beautifully, making it perfect for centerpieces or casual decor. 10. Lagkapten Badkern desk, bright and playful. This desk features a Scandinavian-style grid pattern and smart storage with 2 shelves. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's a cheerful addition to any workspace. (11) Stjernstyr Chef's Knife Sharp. Balanced and built to last, this chef's knife is made from a single piece of stainless steel for durability and easy cleaning. An everyday essential, backed by a 15-year warranty. 12. Klipfisk Sauté Pan with lid, stylish and practical. This gray turquoise aluminum pan has a non-stick coating, dual pour spouts, and wooden handles. Ideal for cooking and serving directly at the table. 13. Klipfisk Pot with lid. A cooking essential with a design twist. This black-blue pot has a ceramic nonstick coating, smart lid strainers, and wooden details. Functional enough for everyday meals, beautiful enough to serve from. 14. BLODBJÖRK Vase beige. Warm and understated. This beige vase is accented with hand-splashed dots and features a wide opening that spreads stems into natural, elegant shapes. Each one is uniquely tactile. 15. BLODFLÄDER picture. Nazare add coastal calm to your walls with this canvas print of Joni White's Nazare. The oak effect frame and added depth bring gallery-style elegance into your home. From bold vases and breezy textiles to functional furniture with a fun twist, IKEA's Summer 2025 collection is all about embracing lighter living and personal style. These thoughtfully designed pieces are more than just decor. They're invitations to enjoy your space in new ways. Whether you're indoors, outdoors, or somewhere in between, there's a smart, stylish update waiting to make your home feel a little more you. Explore the full range and let your summer story begin with IKEA.